After BJP's historic Delhi victory, the crucial BJP Legislative Party meeting that is likely to be held at around 7 p.m. this evening. However, the suspense over who will be the next Delhi ka Mukhyamantri could finally end today. Remember, the BJP, which registered a stunning victory in the national capital when the results were declared on the 8th of February, the Aam Aadmi Party, which was reduced to just 22 seats, the BJP winning over a majority of 48 seats, and some of the top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, including the national convener Arvind Kejriwal, former ministers like Manish Sisodia, Saurabh Bhardwaj and Satyendra Jain, badly lost the elections. Now, the Congress, however, managed to score a hat-trick of zeros when it failed to open its account even this time as well. Let's get in a word from Mohit and Isha, who are connected live with us, because we are getting pictures of how arrangements that are now being made at the iconic Ram Leela Maidan, but the process, Mohit, that needs to be followed, especially when it comes to who will be the next Mukhyamantri of Delhi from the BJP side. There are many probables, there are many front runners. Could the mystery or could the suspense end today once and for all?
Well, yes, the mystery will finally come to an end and we'll get to know that who exactly would be the next chief minister. But Amit, I'll take our viewers directly to these visuals. Look at this particular banner that has been put on the gate of the Delhi BJP. It says Delhi mein Bhajpa Sarkar. So this particular poster has been put up over here, that finally the exile of BJP has come to an end. And you can see that how exactly the preparations are being done for the legislative party meeting, how it is being decorated. It's written over there, Delhi mein Bhajpa Sarkar. So this will be taken inside near the venue of the legislative party meeting of the BJP, which will be taking place in the evening today. And in that particular meeting, we'll get to know that who exactly would be the next chief minister of Delhi. So these are the preparation visuals, and you can see that how the Delhi BJP office is completely decked up, and how exactly the flowers are being brought in, because the exile of the BJP, which went on for around 27 years, has finally come to end. But the question is that who exactly would be the next chief minister of Delhi? Now, there are speculations on various names, and also there are various reasons, Amita, that led to this delay. First, the Prime Minister was out of the country, and hence the discussion with the Prime Minister did not take place on the name. Secondly, an unfortunate incident happened at the New Delhi railway station, and hence the oath-taking and the legislative party meeting of the BJP was extended. But the most important point over here is that, yes, there are a lot of options with the BJP, and there has been various factors which are being considered by the BJP, the caste combinations, the voters in Delhi who have voted for the BJP, whether we'll see representation from that particular community. So there are various factors that will be taking place. But as we can see that how the Delhi BJP office is completely decked up. The name of Parvesh Verma, the giant killer who defeated Arvind Kejriwal from New Delhi seat, is also in the top fray. The name of Rekha Gupta as the chief minister, as a CM face, or
well,
given CM
said,
face.
Many probables, many front runners, but this is something that is also known on part of the BJP. Last minute springing up with a surprise or coming up with a surprise is also something that the BJP often has come out with. But in the meantime, exactly when it comes to the probables, all set as far as the BJP is concerned, because after over 2 decades, it will be forming the government in the national capital, and all eyes will be now on the part actually who will become the next Delhi chief minister. The list of probables that we have been speaking about, what kind of background, what kind of community that they come from, will they find a place as far as when it comes to, if not the Delhi chief minister, but in the cabinet of the BJP Delhi Sarkar, remains to be seen. Let's in the meantime put out, first off is Parvesh Verma, the son of the former Delhi chief minister there, giant slayer as he's been called from the New Delhi seat, as he managed to defeat Arvind Kejriwal. Rekha Gupta there coming in from the Ganya community there. Also coming in from the Banya community is another leader of the BJP, which is Vijendra Gupta there that we are looking at. Brahmin face, a known Brahmin face of the BJP is Satish Upadhyay. And also when we take a look at Pawan Sharma, who is another known Brahmin face coming from the BJP, will he become the chief minister? We do not know. Now, a significant Khatri Punjabi community that also resides in the national capital. This is from that community where Virendra Sachdeva comes from. And also if we talk about Ashish Sood, he also hails details from the Punjabi community. So is this, when it comes to the community factors that seems to be coming to play there, of course, will it be a completely new face, a new name? That would be clear by the end of the day probably. But the ceremony which is slated for tomorrow, and we've been getting you pictures of how the preparations are on in full swing at Delhi's iconic Ramleela Maidan. And amid the suspense as to who will be BJP's pick for the Chief Minister's post, the Aam Aadmi Party, mainly now as the prominent opposition party, rather the only opposition party in the national capital, where outgoing Chief Minister Atishi has taken on the BJP, questioning the delay, saying that the BJP till now has no face to run the Delhi government. So in the meantime, let's put out exactly what is the delay that is now being questioned on part of the Aam Aadmi Party, because they say that they will now take up the role of a stronger opposition in Delhi Assembly. So the BJP there yet to pick a CM's face, as the Aam Aadmi Party sees internal division, saying that results have been declared 10 days ago. It was on the 8th of February. Then why is that the delay is taking place? Because it will only affect the people at the end who are waiting for the change in government that has now happened. And this historic mandate that the BJP has received, predicting that there could be 3 different chief ministers as well. This is what the prediction is now coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party side, saying that that could be a struggle there, because they have been not deciding ready yet to come out with a face, as far as no formal announcement that has been made. We've seen often, as far as the BJP, while going into election, mainly they do not announce a CM face before. Now remains to be seen that how long, is it a wait of few hours that we are looking at when it comes to a formal announcement that would be made as to who will be the next Delhi Chief Minister.